Hey, what's up, Axie Infinity? So what's going on? Axie Infinity price were fails down in last 7 days, minus 3.52%. What's going on, my friend? And in upcoming time, can the pumps is coming soon or the dump is coming soon? This is very important question, my friend. So let's start, my friend. We will predicate this coin. We will also do a technical analysis, my friend. So kindly also we will go to share my opinion. But remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you. So please research personally. Axie Infinity price war fails down, my friend, from last 7 days. And what's the reason? First of all, we will draw, my friends. You can see here, I'm going to predicate this coin, and after that you will better understand. So this time, as you can see, my friend, I draw these three lines. So absolutely, the first line touch the highest point, the second line is the resistance line, and the third line touch the lowest point. So my friend, you can see here this coin will moving sometime. You can see here and these two upper lines, my friend. But absolutely, if they were moving in these lines, definitely they will get a profit. But sometimes they were fails down. So therefore, my friends, they were completely on the loss. This time, as you can see, my friends, they were fails down and they were moving in this circulation. So therefore, you can see here they were lost. Absolutely, if they will, my friends, moving in upward from resistance line, definitely they will profit. But if they will fails down from resistance line, absolutely they are completely in the loss. So therefore, my friend, I'm 100% sure to after fails, absolutely they will take a pump. So therefore, I hope after the last this arrow, my friends, they will pumps up. So I hope, my friends, to Axie Infinity will get a profit. But my friends, absolutely, you can see here the highest points 139 USD dollar, and they will fails down to 118 USD dollar. So therefore, I hope to they will recover this all losses in only in upcoming 15 days, my friend. I hope, my friend, after the mid of month this coin will completely moving go in the moon now, because expert says, my friends, to win a coin or fails down, definitely after a fails they will pumps up. So therefore, this is, my friend, for more now, my friends. I hope to they will do something new and something very special. But my friends, you will need to invest now, you will need to hold now. I hope they will get a profit. See you next time, holder. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and my opinion is to please hold. Allah Hafiz, take care.